knocking each other's heads. You're videoing this?
Obviously.
This is like boxing fight.
This is a normal kitten thing.
Yeah, he's always on the ground because he's stronger.
Even though it's always the black one. Oh,
Oh,
he
no.
starts biting him first.
Get your paw off his
Disgusting dog.
face.
Cookie.
I hate
No.
you.
I hate you.
I hate you. Wait, why are you taking him away from his brother?
Oh. I think he wants his brother.
They're trying to go nest down.
They're play fighting. They're literally beating each other up.
Wait, just let them play.
I really cannot even believe what goes
let
to
him
your
play.
cookie.
Today on live news, there will be a tuxedo and a black cat fighting. Oh, and
There
one
won't
of them left the arena.
This new news till the future or something.
Yeah. Your little meows. Listen, you know you're stronger than him, so you better battle it out.
Wait, don't touch them. I want to see them.
Oh, they're so cute.
It's especially stupid because it was mostly anytime the kids were cornered that Cookie would do that.
Yeah.
No, leave them.
Okay, fine, go fight your brother again.
It's as if they aren't helpless any other times.
Yeah. It's because she's such a wimp that she doesn't even know how to fight them normally.
Oh, they're back.
I mean, they're kittens. You'd be a wimp to fight a kitten anyways. What are you doing?
No.
Don't put your head in there. I'm trying to.
And that probably annoys them.
They might want to go to bed if they just went in there.
I guess.
But they're literally fighting. And I thought kittens had a lot of energy. Oh, no, he might. Oh, oh! Oh!
Save me. Oh, there. If they start like scratching each other's faces, I guess you could push point.
Like that.
Don't bonk
Cute
your
belly.
head. Ah, no.
Listen.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ow!
Oh, no.
Wait.
That part would be dangerous anyways.
Get to her.
Ow. Ow. Why does he want to go back there?
He literally, both of them, especially the black one, loves going back there. Oh, he just bunked his head on the wall.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come on.
Oh, I didn't know Cookie was
Come
there.
over here. Come on. Yeah, see, they're nice. They're nice.
They don't want to fight you. Yo.
He was for some reason backing up when I was showing him my brain. And then he fell backwards. Come here. Don't you want to be my little baby?
Will you be my little cute one?
Hey, are you able to get off this so I can put it on the couch so it's covered?
Wait, let him walk for a second.
Video him chewing my brain. It's his favorite thing to do when I hold him.
Oh, he's so cute. And he's trying to get some
Brain.
food.
Get the brain. Get the brain. I hope it's not bad if he like got any hair in his mouth. Actually, they lick themselves this whole time. What are you doing? Come on. Look, get the brain. the break.
You're such a foodie.
You might have been trying to go to the bathroom.
Don't take them out of the litter box ever when they get in the litter box.
Oh, I know.
Those foodies.
Yeah, they eat food for so long.
One more little bite.